Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials: iOS up to date, Wi-Fi on, and your Apple ID ready. Tap Settings and you'll see your name or sign into your iPhone, enter the Apple ID and password. Once done, accept two-factor prompts on a trusted device if requested. It protects your data. Make sure you're on a stable network and, if possible, connected to power so the initial sync and upload won't pause or fail. Now you'll control what iCloud stores. Go to Settings, tap your name, and pick iCloud. Toggle Photos, Contacts, Notes, and App switches to choose what syncs automatically. Once toggled, data begins uploading. This saves device space and keeps things consistent across devices. Then enable iCloud Backup and tap Backup Now so you have a current restore point. If uploads are slow, make sure Wi-Fi is stable and check Manage Storage. Finish by confirming your data is present. Open Photos, Contacts, and Notes to ensure recent items show up. If something didn't upload, first toggle that app's iCloud switch off and on, then reboot your iPhone and give it time to resync. If sign-in or verification fails, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in, or reset network settings to clear connection errors. These steps resolve most issues. If problems persist, contact Apple support for account-level fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.